As a makeup artist, you should know how to style hair. You should know how to snap pictures. You should know how to do this. You should know how to do that. But my job description is makeup artist. Should makeup artists know how to tie gele, style outfits, style shoots, and do makeup as well? People want complimentary service, an all-in-one package, if you will, for a good price, and it's understandable, but let's break it down. Hi, my name is Gele, and I'm a makeup artist and content creator, and I create content on beauty, content creation, business, and anything I find interesting enough to share. Thank you so much for joining us today. In 2014, when I learned makeup, it was popular, even expected, for you to learn how to tie gele as well. And when I started teaching makeup as well in 2019, I had taught like one-on-one classes, but when I started to teach classes that were more than one person, I started teaching how to tie gele as well. My package included makeup, gele, photography, and photo editing. Why did I teach this? I taught this because I love sharing whatever information I know. There's no use holding on to it because, everything is fleeting. Even life is fleeting. So I share all the information I know. It was expected, and I felt like the students would need it as well. When I started getting bookings, people would ask, do you also style gele? Or do you also tie gele? Do you also take photos? Could you snap me for my birthday? Could you edit my pictures? People start to demand photography services, gele services. Can you style hair? All those kinds of things. And at the point, I even went to learn how to style hair because I felt like it was a complimentary service that I needed to know how to do. Now, for me, the main purpose of learning all these extra complimentary skills was to charge more. You understand, for an extra level of income, for an extra portal where income would come into my business. And when people would ask me, do you style hair, do you tie gele? If I feel like it, I would say yes. Because, not everybody's event will allow you that time to do everything. The truth is, sometimes if I feel like this client might be difficult, I'll just do what I know that, won't make me to spend the most time with this person so we can all part in good terms. I always had the option to say no. You get? So when someone says, do you tie gele? If I feel like it, I'll say, yeah, I do. And if I feel like I'll have the time to do it, I will. But if I don't have the time, there's no point collecting all the bookings in the world, because at the end of the day, peace matters more to me than money. Now, I've seen scenarios online and events, experiences, even in real life, where clients or potential clients ask you, aren't you supposed to know how to do this? As a makeup artist, you should know how to tie gele. As in, it is supposed to be something you dash your client. That's the way they've been trying to explain it. As a makeup artist, you should know how to style hair. You should know how to tie gele. You should know how to lay a frontal. You should know how to snap pictures. You should know how to do this. You should know how to do that. But my job description is makeup artist. Makeup. Like, if I don't know how to draw brows, you can drag me through the mud. You can drag me to London if you want. But makeup artist, if I tell you that, I'm here for a makeup job, and you want to add another job, I tell you I can do it, that's a different case. But you telling me you should know how to do you understand the concept of makeup artist? If we know how to do everything, if one person knows how to do every single thing, where is the room for specialization? Where is it? One thing I'm so grateful for is that in this day and age, people have gone on ahead to learn how to do only makeup. They've told themselves that, this is the only thing I have interest in, and this is all I want to make my money on. So they've learned how to do makeup, tie gele only, photography only, content creation only, laying lace frontals only. And I love that for them. I love that so much, because specializing in something makes you a master in that craft. And when they are talking about, I don't know if you guys know, but let me count a few people that I know are masters in gele time. Oni gele, T-boy gele, She gele, what's that guy? Ray boy gele, AJ's gleam. Stoners Gele, photographers, George Okoro, Big H Studios. All those kinds of people are specialized in certain things. There are people that just do makeup, they don't tie Gele because this is what I want to specialize in, and people should be allowed to make that choice. It's great if you can wear all hats. So like I said in my previous video, if you're a girly girl and you show up to do makeup for your client and her Gele stylist disappoints her content creator disappoints her, in fact the person that is supposed to lay her hair disappoints her, and you have all these things in your bag, as a sabi makeup artist, you should have pins in your bag, edge control, all these things that you can use to fix stuff. You can help your bride, you can help your client to save the day if you want to. I'm glad if you can wear the hat to carry all these services and offer them, but I'm also glad that people are able to stand for themselves and say, these are the services I offer, these ones I do not offer them. You can give them to someone. Delegation is just great for time saving, it's great for specialization. It's great because you will get a perfect artist for each craft you book for. I know that people do that to cut costs and all of that, or to avoid so many people being in their face on their special day, but I actually think that you would get more out of booking different people for different services. At the end of the day, the goal is to work smarter and not harder. But I want to know what your thoughts are. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this topic. Should makeup artists be able to wear all the hats, and is it a must? Should is a different thing, must is a different thing. So let us know in the comment section below, what do you think are the advantages of knowing how to do all these things, and what are the disadvantages of knowing how to do all these things? I would like to chat with you guys in the comment section below. If this video was interesting to you, please give this video a thumbs up and ensure to comment something in the comment section below. It doesn't matter what it is, just comment anything in the comment section below. You never know, you might just be a beneficiary of my 5k giveaway. Thank you so much for coming to my channel today, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.